Dr. McDonough.
Hello, Mayor Council. Dr. James Eric McDonough. I live at 32320 Southwest 199th Avenue. Due to my perceived level of disrespect from Manager George in his comments at last month's meeting, I feel I must publicly address them. First, Mr. George, I brought serious issues to the attention of the city affecting the safety of our children and your employees. You, sir, disarmably dismissed these concerns as a mere smear. These concerns were brought to my attention due to the untold retaliation occurring in the city under your watch, sir. If I did not possess evidence beyond mere allegations, I would have never been addressed. Sir, it is recommended that you get a bottle of ketchup ready for the day you get to eat your words. I cannot imagine they will be palatable. Second, Mr. George, sir, you implied because we were not cut off didn't mean we were telling the truth. Most importantly here, it is not me, but the federal and state courts, as well as my recordings, which hold that I speak the truth. Sir, is it the United States Court of Appeals for the 11th Circuit or the 11th Circuit in and for Miami-Dade County that you argue against? We are all confused here. Can it be that video evidence contradicting the sworn statements of your employees which you contest? Sir, your slander of our myriad concerns discredits the dignity of this council as well as the good citizens of the city of Homestead. Sir, while out of order, you have repeatedly interrupted citizens as if you preside over these meetings. This is on video, yet you speak with such glowing oratory for public debate. Sir, you lament that your employees are accused of crimes. This council even approved a specific policy because of me, where speakers could be barred for making slanderous comments. Yet no one has been sued or stopped from speaking because of what you allege to be slander. This clearly demonstrates the disingenuousness of your assertions. Sir, with your law degree, you should be aware of the right to petition government for redress of grievances under the First Amendment of the Constitution. However, for some reason, sir, you continue to criticize our petitions, then cover your malfeasance by claiming you cherish freedom of speech. You, sir, are the lowest form of hypocrite and a disgrace to the office of which you hold. I look forward to seeing you in deposition soon. You have a great night.
Mr. Oakey. Any business from the city manager?
I think I just want to reiterate my comments from last month because I think it's important for the staff that when somebody comes up and smears them and they don't get interrupted for 3 minutes, it's because the 3 minutes has been allotted for the person to make those comments. So I don't want anybody to think because there's no interruption that that is agreement or that whatever comes out of the person's mouth is fact. In fact, what's happened on a regular basis is people get up to there, and it's only one or two, but they get up onto that microphone and they smear people, whether it's city staff, whether it's elected officials, whether it's whoever it is. And I'm responsible for the staff, so I would just say, you know, don't take it personally. In fact, cherish the fact that we have a form of government where people can say something that we don't necessarily have to agree with. And when it's factually inaccurate, that's a different issue. We can address it or we can choose not to. But in terms of their 3 minutes, that's the reason why they're not being interrupted. We'll see the creative editing later. And so, you know, the creative editing and the splicing and the graphics and all that. But the point is, that's what these chambers are for, is people to have their say. And try not to be offended as best as you can.
Thank you, sir. Anything from the attorney? Nothing. Reports from Mayor and Council. Councilman Roth.
Thank you, Mayor. Just a